Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College. Okay, look, trading can either be really simple or really hard. You've got a choice. Do you want to make it as straightforward and as easy as possible, or do you want to create, a massive confusion for you when it comes to trading? There's so much information out there, especially what's going on at the moment with the Middle East. We're getting a lot of people talking about what the stock markets are going to do, and we've also got the US election coming up as well. We're getting lots of commentators talking about what the markets are going to do. But as a trader, it's my job to trade my strategy. Now look at how simple it is here with the pro trading system. On the chart here, you can see the candlesticks on the Dow Jones on the daily chart. It's the pro trading system: buy on green, sell on red. Okay, so all I'm looking for is whether it's green, red or white. Okay, so you can see at the moment the Dow Jones is white. That means do nothing. It's been green from here all the way to here. That's the decision. That's all I've got to decide, whether it's green, red or white. At the moment it's white, means do nothing. Okay, now there's another situation setting up here. What should I do here? This is the NASDAQ. This is the tech market. I don't care what anybody is saying on Bloomberg or what the newspapers are saying, what your friends are talking about, what's going to happen. At the moment, I've got a red signal to short the stock market, the NASDAQ on the daily chart. So I'm going to short the stock market, i.e. the NASDAQ index on the daily chart. You can't get any easier than that. That decision is easy to follow. There's my entry. It puts the stop in, it puts the profit targets in for you. It tells you what your risk reward ratio is once those profit targets get hit. That's all I've got to think about. I can put the trade on with my broker. That's going to be for another lesson, but I've just got to do that, and then I can go off, go and do whatever I want for the rest of the day. Let's go and have a little look at gold. Gold's a big topic at the moment with the volatility in the Middle East. Should we sell gold? Well, is it green, is it red, or is it white? It's green. It's still in buy mode. If it turns red, then we'll exit our long trade from here, and until it turns red, we're staying long gold. Okay, it's trying to go down a little bit, but it hasn't turned red, guys. So no selling in gold, okay, until it turns red. How straightforward is that? Let's go and have a little look. I don't know, the pound yen. It's been a big market mover recently. We got a nice buy signal. Did it turn red to green? Yes, at 187, right in there. It went higher. 19,246 profit target, 2-to-1 risk reward. So we risked 1, we made 2. Is it red? Nope. Are we staying long? Yep. That's all we need to do. If it goes up even higher and then suddenly one day it turns red, we will exit our long trade. And it's as simple as that. If you didn't have the system, this is what you've got to deal with. Normal basic candlestick charts, which are green and red every other day virtually, and it is so confusing. It is not clean. It is I think it feels like you're going to be trading with so much emotion when you trade with this chart. Some days it goes red. Well, is it the end of the downtrend or the uptrend? No, our pro trend system will stay green if the trend is still remaining higher. Keeps it really simple. Trading can be an emotion or roller coaster because you're dealing with money here. I mean, just look how messy this chart is. How messy it is here. Okay, but if you stick the pro trading system on, it just keeps it so much simpler. I still know on this FX pair, the pound yen, that it's green, and now I've put the pro trend system back on. I know I'm staying long this market until it turns red. That's the hardest decision I've got to make today. It takes me about 3 seconds, if not less, to make that decision. So do you want to make trading hard, or do you want to make trading easy? Pro trading system keeps it so easy, guys. Follow the strategies, follow the colors, and you'll do all right.